This 360 degrees camera watches everything. Meet the Axis P3748-PLVE. The Eye of God? Let's be real. You've been patching together outdated security setups with duct tape and crossed fingers. You're overwhelmed. Your current cameras can't see half of what they're supposed to, the image is grainy at night, and flipping through 4 feeds is driving you nuts. Configuring them? A full-time job. You're wasting hours, losing focus, and wondering why the smart in smart surveillance feels like a lie. Every blind spot is a liability, and every second you spend troubleshooting, that liability grows. It's not just annoying, it's risky. Deadlines are breathing down your neck. Your boss wants 360 degrees visibility, but your gear barely does 90 degrees. You're chasing false alarms, missing critical incidents, and trying to stitch analytics from 5 different systems. Sound familiar? Stress is piling up. You're questioning your whole tech stack and yourself. The worst part? You're one malfunction away from PR disaster or an insurance nightmare. Burnout is creeping in fast. When you're constantly firefighting your surveillance setup, how can you actually protect anything? Something's got to give, and fast. Say hello to the surveillance savior that actually gets it. The Axis P3748-PLVE Panoramic camera is like dropping 4 ultra-intelligent cameras into one sleek, unblinking sentinel. We're talking 4x4K UHD sensors, a jaw-dropping 48 megapixels, remote PTRZ control, and full, 360-degree infrared illumination, and built-in AI analytics that tracks and classifies humans, vehicles, you name it. All that, in one device. No Frankenstein setup. No compromises. Install it once. Control it all remotely. Powered by Axis Edge Vault cybersecurity and backed by a 5-year warranty, this isn't just next level, it's next galaxy. If your current gear makes you babysit it, the P3748-PLVE is the one that finally lets you sleep. Imagine streamlining 4 camera views into one ultra-discrete unit, with zero compromise on image quality. Users call it ridiculously powerful and shockingly easy to set up. You get seamless coverage of street corners, parking lots, campuses, or large facilities, even in pitch-black conditions. With AI-driven detection, forensic WDR, and Axis Zipstream, you're not just capturing events, you're understanding them in real time. One IT pro said, "It's like my cameras went from VHS to 8K intelligence overnight." And you're saving on bandwidth, storage, and technician callouts. No licensing fees. No bloatware. No guesswork. Just clear, actionable security, on your terms. Still curious? Click in and discover why security pros, city planners, and facility managers are calling this the smartest move they've made all year. Stock doesn't sit on shelves for long, especially not with a camera this loaded. With thousands already making the switch, the Axis P3748-PLVE is disappearing fast. If you're serious about real surveillance, not just expensive guesswork, this is your moment. Don't wait. Don't think on it. Act now. Secure your unit today. Join the wave of pros ditching their outdated cams and embracing intelligent 360-degree security. Because you deserve a system that watches over your space, even when you can't. Ready to win? Tap the link. Let's go.